Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So up here on the 6th floor, I worked on 5 more of these lights for the vanities. I started on the 5th floor this morning, but since I'm up here on 6th working my way down, I'll just show you what I did here. So I got these 2 in the bathroom right here, and I'll show you the other 3. So here's the other bathroom right here. Another tight squeeze right here on the corners. Had to, I don't know why this is so messed up. That was weird. Anyways, the shadow's really messing up with the picture or whatever, but had to take the tip of the screwdriver off of there, and over on this one especially, really short. So this is really weird. Sorry guys. Anyways, there's 4 can lights on the ceiling, which I did not do, but it looks pretty nice. And one thing that's really cool, I'm really hungry, kind of see like a before and after. So this is kind of what it looks like without the plate, but you can go ahead behind the wall right now since it has an opening, and you can see what it looks like. This is one of the boxes I did, and I remember super tight right there. So I got your box, your spreader bar, your wire, your connector, all that good stuff. So it's kind of cool to see like a little before and after. But I'll go show you guys the other stuff I did on the 5th floor. I think this is all I did on the 6th floor. Alright, so down here on the 5th floor, added an extra exit sign. I guess they wanted one there. So had to take the tile down, drill a hole in it, put the tile back in, and then take the next tile out take the next tile next to it out so I could stick my head up there and work. Put the box on top of the ceiling tile, and then all that good stuff. And then luckily there was a box right in the middle. Usually there's a box in between each 3 of them, so luckily I just had a pre-made whip and then just stuck that right in the box right about here, so it was nice and short, so it was nice. And then I just made it up hot and then finished that. So that's all that. I didn't really go over that too much, but anyways, then earlier I hung these 4 ugly, atrocious things. I don't know why people make such crap and buy such crap, but anyways, did those 6'6" off the ground, pretty much dead nuts on all 4 of those. So those turned out nice, even though they look like trash. Did that, and then also at the end of the day, cut in this box right here. Didn't get a chance to put the plug in yet, but I think I got some finger marks on there. Anyways, cut this box in and then ran the wire up through the ceiling. The nice thing about ceiling tiles is that you can run wire super easily if you need to. So I just popped out about 3 of these tiles, ran a wire across the top of the ceiling over to about here, and then there's that junction box with 4 circuits in there, so I just tied it into the circuit 2, which is going to be shared with this bench plugs, if you remember those. So tied those in, and then I'll show you the other stuff that I worked on this morning. Got my coat sitting over there. So I tied this in, but I wired this 4-foot light in right here, LED 4-foot strip light. So I just have that tied together right now, so it is constantly on for the little while until there's a switch. So whatever. And anyways, I did a second one this morning, around the corner. And that is, so I did finish that bathroom as well. So you walk in here, you got the motion sensors, which is nice. So this one's just got the switch. So I got this strip light right here. Just use some sheetrock anchors to anchor it to the wall. And there's a box up there with a mud ring on it. So I just kind of set the light down a little bit to cover the plate, and the top is exposed. You can see that. I don't think I can reach it, but anyways, there's a box up there that's semi-exposed, but you can't see from down here. Cool beans. So there's the ones I did yesterday. And then finish the finished putting in this can trim, which was actually the fastest one ever, and then the sideways one, like I said yesterday. So that turned out nice. I just really like these. They look cool and they're super easy to install, and they don't make me want to hurt myself. So that is really nice. I think that's everything I did today. And yeah, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow. Thanks for all the support. I was gonna thank you guys for another thing, but I forgot. Oh, thanks for watching the Corvette video. It's over 100 views in like 2 days, which is awesome. Appreciate that, and just the constant support, getting like over 100 views a day. And I remember making videos, I was just happy to get like literally like 1 to 5 in like a day. But you guys are killing it. Thanks guys so much. Appreciate it. And like I said, see you back here tomorrow. And I think that's about it. Drop a comment if you got any questions, or if you want to help the YouTube algorithm. I'd appreciate it. Just say anything. And see you guys back here tomorrow. And I'm repeating myself. And check out the social media in the description box. And I think we finally got a winner for the giveaway. And I will be buying that and sending that out. I got the address, so looks like the giveaway winner finally has been chosen. And yeah, I think that about wraps it up. I'm always forgetting something, but appreciate the support, guys. See you guys back here tomorrow, and that'll do it. Peace out. God bless. And one last thing, I could honestly probably sleep here. It's nice and warm, and I don't think once everyone leaves, I don't think no one else is here. And anyways, I don't think no one really cares, but if I brought a pillow, I could totally sleep here, but I don't think they would really appreciate that. But anyways, fun fact. All right, guys, I'm just sitting here at the house. I just got back home. I already edited and finished uploading the video, but I did forget something, so I'm going to add that in and re-save it and re-upload it. So anyways, I'm going to throw in this picture of one other thing I worked on today that I forgot to mention, but I don't know who comes up with these ugly designs for the picture that I'm going to show you guys right now, and also those little like hexagon lights were just stupid. Like, I don't know who designs these and then pays for them. It's like the dumbest thing ever, but these people need to get fired real quick. But anyways, I'm going to throw in this picture. Thanks guys for watching, and that'll do it. Peace out.